How can compact living transform London's urban landscape? In London, where space is a precious commodity, a revolution in home design is unfolding. This narrative explores the ingenious ways in which architects and designers are tackling the challenges of compact living in this vibrant city. The focal point is the ingenious use of natural light. Skylights and well-placed windows are not mere sources of illumination, but instruments that enhance the sense of space. The narrative then shifts to the marvel of multifunctional furniture, like sofa beds and fold-down desks, which exemplify the blend of style and practicality. In kitchens, the trend is towards compact appliances and islands with integrated storage, a boon for space-starved Londoners. For bathrooms, the choice of wall-mounted fixtures and floating vanities offers a visual expansion of space. The piece also highlights the emergence of vertical gardens and green roofs, which bring a slice of nature into urban settings, improving air quality and adding a distinct aesthetic. Another crucial aspect is the integration of smart home technology, pivotal in energy management and improving daily life efficiencies. Lastly, the use of sustainable materials like bamboo and recycled steel is not just an environmental statement, but a nod to contemporary design trends. This narrative paints a picture of a future where London homes are not just living spaces, but embodiments of innovative, space-efficient design. For all your architectural planning and construction needs, Kompas London is just a call away. Let's get your project started.